Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, we are not at Portie's Garage. We're actually at the professor's house, having a little wings, maybe a few garage pops, if you will.
We did our victory pops before we did it. So we got to do something. That's why we picked these up.
There we go.
We're going to do some quick air filters here on the 2024 Toyota Highlander. Doing the engine and the cabin. They should be pretty simple. So we'll get turned around here. We'll do a successful project. That way we'll be we'll legitimize
have earned our garage pops.
So
there we go.
So let's get turned around. It should be pretty simple, should be pretty quick, but let's show you how this is done.
Giddy up.
All right, so we got the engine here. We are on the driver's side, picked up from Rock Auto Denso. That should be OEM. So this should be simple. What it looks like. Here's your air filter right here. Can you see that little clip there? Can you see it? It should just pop back. This one should pop back. And then we've got two little tabs, one back here. See where my finger is? Tab there, tab the other side. This should lift up. And there she be.
Incredibly easy.
Yeah. A little dirty. Not bad. We're on a dirt road, but it doesn't look that bad. Let's not damage that till we know this fits. Is that perfectly square, or is there a different one side longer than the other on that?
Looks pretty square.
All right, let's see if we can get this baby in here.
We'll put some links below for the project. There we go.
I'm not in. I know that's what. No, that's not square. Bingo.
There you go.
There is a direction. So then all you need to do is get these tabs back in again. Oh, I'm stuck on something there. I think that's no, something's still not quite lined up right. That one. And see that one? There we go.
Bingo.
That's it. She's done.
All right.
We'll save this. Let's get to the cabin air filter next. All right, got the Fram cabin air filter. I haven't looked how to do this, but other Toyotas, I think there's a little piston shock right here. And you should be able to squeeze and push that out. And see how that moves in? So that's like a little damper. And then you've got these tabs. I believe you just push. Pop that one.
Each side.
That one. Should be able to lift it right off. Now here's, you might have to, I got to get down on the ground. So back up a second. Let me get down here. You're going to go over my head. If I need to see. All right, we're right here. And I don't know how this comes off though. I don't want to break anything. And I see it says up right here. Give me a minute. Let me figure out how this comes off. All right, we think we figured it out. It should be right here. You can see we're loose in the middle. So I think you pinch on the side. Oh, it comes right out then. So you just pinch the sides and it comes right out. And then this should be a little frame. Oh, we got a little carbon one in here. Look at that. That doesn't look too bad. I see some dirt debris in there, but not too bad.
Note which way is up on the filter.
The air, it says air goes up that way, and the pleats are going this way. I don't want to change the direction of the. Oh, we got a carbon one here also. All right, I should. Is this going to fit in here? We got a little. What's going on with this? It doesn't want to fit. It's not sliding all the way in here. I don't know what's stuck causing it to do that. There we go. This side's not going either. There we go. We're definitely kinked on something here. That does not feel right. Can't go that way. Are they the same size? They are, so it should fit right in. That way. Do you ever see what my problem is? Stupidity. There's a ridge right here. I got to get them in one of the pleats. So if you look on the back, it almost not wide enough to get there. Look at that. Huh. That does not want to fit quite right. Let's try it this way now. See how we're hitting on this outside of this guy? I can't get past that cleat, Rob. See that? There it goes. Nope, and this side popped out. There it is.
Just some finagling to get her in.
All right.
That took way longer than it should have.
Yeah. Well, they're right. It was a little tight on the side. There was a whole plastic cleat that went up between one of these pleats. So make sure you got your up arrow, and it should slide right in. For some reason, there we go. Now we're in there. Make sure you got your up arrow here. And I can't see with the sun where that is. That's on there. All right. And then the only thing I got left is the glove box. And this should be real easy. As soon as I say that, something will happen, right? Of course. There we go. Those are in. Now all I gotta do is that little shock that just pulls right down. It's on, and you see we got the little damper going.
There you go.
Yeah, right. Something's off. Look at that. Let's pull that apart. What do you think I got off on here? Think one of these aren't sitting right? It should be square right there, right?
Yep.
It doesn't want to sit right. Well, that's different, ain't it? It's definitely over that way further, because this one comes out way too easy. This is it right here, right? That goes there, that goes there. Why is it not sitting straight? What's bent? Anybody? I'm not hitting anything up here. That center time's going in here. I mean, if that lines up right there, why does the rest of this not line up? I wonder if this has got to sit down further in something. That's better.
There you go.
So what I did, Let's see if I can get it. I'm gonna wreck it now that I got it. Ugh. Look at it, I can't get this out now. So these right here, they, as you're closing, you got to push them in further. See, now I think I just took it off. See how they rotate out a little bit? You got to make sure they're sitting tight. See, I'm off now. What did I do? There, we're sitting tight. All right.
Now, don't mess with it again.
Yeah, that was different. And then I got the actuator. And look at that. Golden.
Awesome.
It took longer than it should have. So there you go. That's how you do 2024 Toyota Highlander. You got the engine air and also the cabin air filter. Hopefully you can do it quicker than I just did. Thanks for watching Portie's Garage.